Okay, I thought you'd like to see the engine compartment of the 1953 XK 120 SE model fixed head coupe. When they say it's a SE model, it means that it's got upgraded suspension, body color wire wheels, and a different cam profile, which increased its horsepower from 160 to 180. They didn't make that many of these SE models, about 700 of them, out of a run of around 2,600 for the 120s. Well, the car has had a repaint. The engine compartment is still almost all original. You can see the paint color on the firewall. So it's in pretty good condition. It's got twin SU carburetors, and it moves along very briskly. It has a 4-speed Moss transmission. So anyway, that's what a Jag X120 XK120 SE engine compartment looks like.